everyone. In this video, you will learn about the ArcGIS StoryMaps Dashboard. Please note that to fully access all the features of ArcGIS StoryMaps, you must have an account that is connected to an organization. You can use a public account without an organization access, but be aware that it has some restrictions or feature limitations. This tutorial will cover versions available to those with an institutional license. StoryMaps is a web-based application that allows users to share text, images, maps, and other multimedia content while building a quick and attractive interface tailored to educate someone about your topic. Multimedia content includes text, images, videos, and interactive maps. To access StoryMaps, navigate to Esri's ArcGIS online homepage at arcgis.com. Then click on the button that says Sign In, located on the ribbon at the top right corner. You can also click the purple Sign In button in the center of the page. Type in your organization's URL into the empty field. In this case, it would be SUNY NP GIS, and press Continue. Then type in your account credentials in the username field and the password field, which are provided by your organization's administrator. Now that you have signed in, on the top right corner, click on your account credentials, which shows your name and avatar. A drop-down menu will appear showing several options. From the top ribbon, select the grid button with the 9 gray small dots located next to your account credentials in the top right corner. Click on it, and the drop-down menu will show all of the Esri applications that are available to you. Depending on your display's aspect ratio, you may need to scroll down to the bottom of the drop-down menu to click on the story map icon, which is located on the third column. Please note that the story maps icon may be located in a different position in your personal drop-down menu. Click on the Story Maps button to open it in a new tab in your browser, which will direct you to the StoryMaps dashboard. Across the top left corner, you will see 2 sections, Stories and Collections. The green underline underneath the tab will tell you which section you're in. You create your projects in stories, while collections will store multiple stories in one group, making it easily accessible for you, the public, or your organization. Both sections have 4 subcategories: My Stories or My Collections, My Favorites, My Groups, and My Organizations. My Stories will show all the stories you've created. To create a new story, press the teal button on the right that says New Story. A drop-down menu will appear showing 4 different options that you can start with. The 4 different options is a template where you can customize either with a brand new template or a pre-made template created by Esri's designers. The sidecar block is extremely useful for creating smooth transitions between multimedia content. Using a series of slides, integrating media with text creates a simple scrolling experience and allows others to access the mapped data one slide at a time. Next, the guide tour guides the audience through a set of places on the map while describing its significance using multimedia content. Lastly, the Explorer Tour has 2 gallery layouts, gridded and a compact list, to discuss up to 100 locations on a map. Clicking the gallery thumbnails or a point on the map will cause the map to zoom into the location that shows the content that you're describing. Next to My Stories is the Favorites tab. To pick your favorites, you can find a story from your stories, your groups, or from your organization. To add to your favorites, simply click on the hollow star icon found on the bottom right corner of any story map file. Clicking on it will make the star yellow. This is an indication that you can now access the story in your Favorites tab. At the bottom of the page is the Learning and Resources section. Here, you can either click on the View All button, which will direct you to a page that will teach you tips on how to effectively present your information to an audience, or you can hover your cursor over the text and click it quickly to direct you to the information that you need. Now you know about the basics of the dashboard. Be sure to check out our other video tutorials.